So today we are playing Disney Dreamlight Valley, and we're playing this on the Nintendo Switch, and we're going to be cooking today. We're going to go to the restaurant. And we're going to be cooking for who's in the restaurant today. So we're going to make bell puffs. You need peppers, eggs, and cheese. And then appetizer is served. And we're going to give it to our Fairy Godmother. Here you go. Enjoy. Hope you like them. Next, we're going to make a seafood salad. So you need a vegetable, preferably lettuce, and then you need a seafood, and you're good. I have your order. Enjoy. The beast because I need to get him leveled up so I can do more quests with him. We are making raspberry boba tea. You need sugar, milk, and raspberries. And there you go. Here you go, Minnie. I have your order. Here's your raspberry boba tea. Enjoy. I hope you like it. pumpkin soup, you need a vegetable, milk, ginger, and a pumpkin. Hey, Prince Eric, I got your soup. It's your favorite. Now, if you need any materials, you buy it at this table. So we are going to make a vanilla ice cream. So you need the ice, milk, sugar, and vanilla. Hey Goofy, I have your order. Here you go. I hope you like it. I hope it makes your day. Now claim your rewards. Now, to see more Disney Dreamlight recipes, subscribe and let me know in the comment section below if you want to see more, and share with a friend. Thank you for watching.